Hey, what's up YouTube? This video we're going to try to make a key to a Ducati Monster 695. It's a 2007. I'm going to be trying to use the Key Tool Plus and read the emo data and then write it to a super chip to make a key that'll drive the bike. We got the cluster here sent to us, and this is our EEPROM chip here. It's 24C02 chip, and we're going to try to read it in circuit. If that fails, then we'll take it off and we'll read it that way. And if you do want to see the key being cut or the ignition being leashed, I'll link a video up in the top right corner if you want to check that stuff out. For now, we'll get started though on trying to get the EEPROM off of this and see if we can write a chip here. So I'm going to go to prog first. And we're looking at EEPROM and flash. This is an Atmel chip, 24C02, so that's our chip right there. And we're going to try to read it in circuit, so we're going to see if we can clip on the chip here. So I've already looked at this under a microscope, and I believe pin 1 is over here. Let me walk around the camera, make sure I get that actually on there. These clips can be real finicky. Yeah, it looks like it's actually on there. So back over to the tool here, and we'll see if we're able to actually read it. Yeah, nope. So let me go ahead and try to reseat the chip, the clip, I mean, and we'll try it again here. And there we go. So I did read something, and we just actually I don't even need to name it. This is the only one that's going to be on the tool here. So that we've actually read it. We can go to Home, Emo Data Tool, and we'll head over to Ducati, and it's a Monster. There's the chip right there. It's not. This is a 695, which isn't listed, but this is the right chip, so we're going to go with that. And it's going to have us open our file, which is right here. We'll open it. And there's our key data right there. Looks like we have keys 1, 2, and 3. So it's asking me to make a dealer key. So I haven't done this before, so we're just going to rock with it here. And we're going to be using a VVDI super chip. So we'll go ahead and put it right there, and we'll just hit OK. And prepare dealer key success. Now the key can start the engine. So that should be all there is to it. And then next thing to do would just be to go to the bike and try it out. So stay tuned. Got about an hour drive out to where it is, and we'll give it a try. All right, I made it to the bike, and I got a key in the shell, and I put it in the ignition. Got our immobilizer light blinking right here. Key on. Mobilizer light out, and now the bike will start. Alright, and there's making a key to a 2007 Ducati Monster 695. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments, and until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.